What's up, guys? Wanted to give you a weekly update on my beard. I hope you guys have had a great week so far. This is my third week now of taking videos and kind of just going along with this journey with you on this progress of this beard. Now, I've had a longer beard before, but I cut it down, and so I'm just starting all over again. It's a little bit longer than just completely shaved, but just kind of going through the weekly update with you to let you know my progress and what I'm doing. So you can see I'm starting to get a little bit more density here. I did line up the sides here straight down. I have not taken anything off the bottom here. When I grow it down, probably another 3-4 inches, I will taper it off like this at a 45 degree. And I will let you know here in just a second what products I've been using and what I've liked so far. Okay, what I've been using and what I've really liked here in this last week or two. I like Artius Man Tinderbox. Kind of has a tobacco pipe smell to it. It does not smell like cigarettes, but it kind of has this just manly smell. I really like it. I also love Beard Octane's Liquid Gold. I've got the beard butter and I have the beard oil, and it smells absolutely amazing. Feels good. Beard lays great with it. Also been using Fable Beard Company's Scribe, which is like a coffee, hazelnut, chocolatey smell. And I have the beard butter as well. So those are what I've been using the most the last week, those three. Love them, guys. I will do reviews on those shortly. And if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below. The minoxidil, if you haven't followed me there, I'm doing weekly, maybe moving to monthly, because it takes a little bit longer to start seeing the difference on the minoxidil oral that I'm taking, 5 milligrams a day. I am seeing hair growth. As you can see, it is growing back. It still looks kind of thin, but of course it's dark and my hair is kind of lighter. So that is my weekly review and progress on this beard. So if you have any questions, as I said before, go ahead and drop them down in the comments below, and I will see you on the next video. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, go ahead and do it. Hit the notification bell. That way, every time I post a video, whether it be a review, whether it be an update, whether it be just a random video, it will notify you when I do. And also hit the like button. It really helps the channel on this video. Guys, I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.